Hello, and welcome to the Grumpy Gobbler channel. My name's Noah, and in today's video, I go camping without snow for the first time in a long time. Thanks for coming along. All right, so I'm on my way to go camping for a long weekend. It is Friday, April 3rd, I think. And I'm heading up and over Poncha Pass. I'm on 285 South. And 285 South is right by my house. So I've just been on the same highway since I've left. And we should be coming up to the top of Poncha Pass here shortly. And I'm on my way to Rio Grande National Forest. I've been here a couple times before, once on a motorcycle and once with a couple friends in my 4Runner. Anyways, I'm just going to go out there and I'm going to kind of explore. I've stayed at a campground the last two times, or the only two times I've been there. And this time I'm just going to kind of poke around and see if I can find dispersed camping. Because the campground is nice, but it's surrounded by trees. There's really no view. So I'd like to find someplace where there's a view where I can either get a view of the sunrise or sunset. And where I'm at now is just south of Salida, or really Poncha Springs, I think. And see what else. I don't know. This should be fun and very relaxing, which I need. I haven't camped in quite a while, like a month and a half or something, and so I'm really looking forward to this. Got all my stuff, a flat ensemble, and I guess that's it. We'll be going by, I'm heading towards the town of Monte Vista, and I think just south of Monte Vista is the Great Sand Dunes National Park. I won't be going there, and I've been there in the past and it was interesting, but really didn't float my boat a whole bunch. This is the top of Poncha Pass. Those are the Collegians. It's a rather long mountain range. A lot of 14ers in the collegiate mountain range. And I think that's it. I probably have about another hour, hour and a half of driving before I get to the area where I'm going to start looking around. It's a little hazy today, but it's still beautiful. It's warm. It's 48 degrees, so it's nice and warm. Compared to what we've been dealing with, so 48 degrees to me is perfectly comfortable in t-shirt weather. And let's see, what else can I talk about? Nothing. I will check in a bit later. Next town we're going to hit is Saguache, which is a really cool town, that really small, and there's a cool little restaurant there which I'm not going to stop at. It has really good pizza. And you may have seen that I did a video on my motorcycle camping trip out here called, I think it was Camping with Greg or something. And I stopped at that restaurant. Beautiful out here. There's a lot more snow than I thought. I thought I wouldn't hit any. So we'll see how much I can explore. We'll find out together. Hello. All right. So I've turned on County Road DD, and I'm going to air down. Perfect. Do about 18. make sure that didn't feel like that core went in there properly, but just make sure. Yep, no leaks. Anyways, you don't need to watch me air down. So like I said, County Road DD. This is on the way to where I'm going to search for a place to camp. You probably can't see it, but that's Mount Blanca, something. And evidently there's a trail that goes to the top of that. Not a lot of people around here. And it's so nice and warm. I'm in a t-shirt. It's awesome. Anyways, I'm going to finish airing down and get on my way. Still on County Road DD, and I've noticed it looks like a face. You see it? Very cool section of this road. They've done some work to this road too. You can see that it's been graded. I've only really been here during non-summertime, so I've never seen leaves on these trees, but it's probably pretty. Oh, that's some ice. When there's leaves on these trees. But very interesting rock formations. Nice little pillar. I don't know if I caught that on video. So evidently I'm going to have to find a spot in the sun, because you can see where there's shade, there's still snow. I'm trying to find a place to camp. I've come to the end of the road I'm on. Look around. That's pretty out there. I don't know where the sun's setting. It'd be nice to see Mount Blanca and that. think I should probably drive around some more and see what else I find. I'm also concerned that this is private land because it looks like I went over some sort of border. So I'm going to keep on driving around a bit. Sure is beautiful. You can see those cliffs down there. Actually, can't right now. But over there is the cliffs on the lower road I was on. Surprised there's no fire rings. That's what makes me again think that this is probably private land. Although on the map on Onyx it looks like it's BLM. Oops, realized I'm recording. Still looking for a campsite, and I think I'm going to go drive to a different road and try that. Alright, I think I found my spot for the weekend. There's numerous fire rings for some reason. That one's probably there to block the wind. Beautiful view. Flat ground. I can hear cows. Not that I need a fire ring because I brought my gas fire pit, and I brought that on purpose, even though I thought I could probably find wood, although I'm not seeing any. That way I don't leave any trace. If I happen to camp someplace where there was no fire ring, I don't have to build one. I can just use my gas fire pit and no smoke. It's just the convenience. I mean, I do miss the smell of a wood fire, but I don't have to deal with the smoke, having to keep it going. I just turn it on and off, and that way first thing in the morning I can always turn it on if it's a little chilly. And unfortunately people left trash in here, and I'll probably clear that out. That's why I carry a trash bag. Not probably, I will. There's shell casings here, but I see Mount Blanca. I can see those mountains over there behind those trees. I'm gonna try to figure out where the sun's gonna set. If I had to guess, it's over there. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and make my lunch and have a beer. Sounds like a good plan, doesn't it? Thought I'd give a little update. I took a little bit of a nap. It's now probably about 4. Oh, about 4. And clouds are looking a little dark. Looks like some moisture is coming down, but it's not reaching the ground. Nice and blue over there. I don't know if you can see that band down there, but that's the main road coming into this place, so I'm not that far off it. I have cell service, so that's pretty nice. And although I'm debating going exploring tomorrow and seeing if I can find another site, since I'm down in this area, I might want to take advantage of that and kind of browse and look for camping sites. Although I might not, so because I'm lazy and I might not want to pack everything back up, even though it's not hard. I gotta get over that. Nice and sunny over there. And I still think those are the collegians going along here, going up towards Salida and Buena Vista. Well, we'll see. The sun was supposed to set someplace over here. Something tells me I'm going to miss it. Unless for some lucky reason these clouds clear out. Anyways, status update by Noah. Pretty nice. I know it's hard to see in the GoPro. I got my fire going. Got a beautiful sunset. I'm numerous beers in. I do hear a plane overhead. Hopefully it sounds okay. I don't have any microphone connected to this. I do have the medium mod on here, so actually let's walk over here. Pretty darn nice. I'm enjoying myself. It's kind of nice to have cell service too, because I just talked to June. Told her I loved her. Shortly I'll be hopping into bed and enjoying a movie and going to sleep. For now, I think I may have one more beer. What do you think? Yeah, I think I should. About 6:45 in the morning, Saturday morning. It's 36 degrees. Sun is just coming up. I got my water going so I can make my coffee. It's beautiful. Nobody out here. And probably can't see it, but over there's a whole bunch of deer. You might see one moving right now, probably too far away for you, but there's a whole bunch of deer over there to greet me in the morning. This does not suck. So right now I'm just kind of exploring. I've decided to head home today. Shocking. Because it's what I do. But I thought I'd come and try to explore the area a little bit, find some other possible campsites. I've already found a few, and there's a ton out here. And so I'll go home today, being Saturday, and then I'll do a motorcycle ride with June tomorrow. So that way I get a camping and motorcycling weekend. Nothing wrong with that. These roads on a motorcycle would be a little iffy because you come around a corner and all of a sudden there's mud. And they're kind of rutty. Need some time to get rid of the ruts. Let's go see where this road goes. And I know the GoPro doesn't show it, but this is a little bit steep and off camber a little bit. I mean, there's tons of campsites out there. That one's not very pretty. And I think this goes down to a more established road. In fact, I think I know where this one goes. Alright, I thought I'd check in one last time on my drive home. Currently on 285 North, I believe. And just left the town of Saguache. And I don't know if you can see it over there, but that light brown spot is the Sand Dunes National Park. Something. And these are the Collegiate Mountains in front of us. Still beautiful and snow-capped. This is a long, lonely stretch of road. Actually, it's not really lonely because there are plenty of other cars. But it's a long road in the middle of nowhere, it seems like. There's just nothing around. Although I wouldn't mind having some land out here. Anyways, had a great time camping. Weather was awesome. It was nice and warm. And didn't sleep particularly well, but that's okay. It wasn't from sleeping in here. I haven't been sleeping well anyway, so. So there. Anyways. It was a good weekend. Looking forward to riding with my motorcycle with my girl tomorrow. And I probably have about 3 more hours of driving to get home. But it'll be beautiful. And that's okay. I don't mind driving anyway. Even pavement, I just don't mind it. I just sit here with the cruise control on and relax, listen to music or comedy. And just think. Thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or a comment or subscribe. That would be grand. If you have something specific you want to see, just leave a comment and ask me and I'll probably do it. And in fact, while I was camping, I recorded some stuff. One of my viewers asked about the awning and what I thought about it, my Batwing awning, and so I recorded a video for that. I'll assemble that and post that. Might even be before this video goes out. So there you go. If that interests you, take a gander. Thanks for coming.